Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm John, and I'm risking my 360 camera so you don't have to. All right, here we go. Anyway, I've got the Max out in a new position. Yeah, I will pull over shortly and show you, but we're gonna go down Avery Proving Ground, and if you don't get that reference, it's because I mentioned it in a previous video. I'm gonna try to not make this one 20 minutes long because we're only testing one position right now. I love it when a plan comes together. And the camera's staying on, which is even better. Well, you have seen me attach it to my engine guard a different way, my passenger peg 2 or 3 different ways, and many different angles. And I was going on this ride today, and I was remembering a video that Her Two Wheels did, Jess, out in Ohio, and she was actually like sitting on an extended selfie stick. And I was like, yeah, I can't see me doing that because I move my ass around too much on the seat for that to work, because I would just drop the damn thing. It would fall right off. But I came up with a second scenario that involved a similar setup, and it would be to attach it to my 4-point docking hardware. As you can see, I have my tour pack still there, but I have the tour pack behind me, and it leaves just enough on one of the docking points to hook the clamp mount that came with this thing. So I did that, and then I ran it. You know, I should have run it underneath the strap on my seat, but I didn't. I ran it on top, and then I used my Velcro strap, because you saw that video, right? And I hooked it to that. So that gives it 2 points of mounting, and it seems pretty stable. The last time I tried this, it did not work out so well. See that video here. But so far, so good. I have it angled to catch the wind and kind of push it up and back so it doesn't fall forward and down. Maybe that will alleviate some of the vertical tension on it, because I did notice going over some bumps that with the seat foam padding and all, it does wobble quite a bit. So hopefully it comes out a little bit stable. And if it's ghosting, again, I keep mentioning this, the reason is the lens protectors, and I'm not going to not use them because they have saved my bacon at least twice now, and I really just want them to protect the camera. So I'll take a little image degradation, but I went through 2 packs of 4 now, the originals that I bought with the camera and the replacements that GoPro sent me under warranty. And I think the one that's on there now is the better. There's one good one out of the first batch and one good one out of the second batch, and so that's what I have. That's what I'm using. And I did some tests at the house. They seem to be working pretty good. And I've sort of blathered on for several minutes. So let's skip ahead to Muncaster Proving Ground and take a look at the footage then. Before we get on Muncaster Proving Ground, I just want to show you how I have the mount set up. You can see here, it's around the docking point on the outside there. And then when we come around, you can see that it's just run the Velcro strap over this strap here and fully extended, and that's locked pretty good. And you can see it moves around a little bit. Hi, you're wobbly, woo! But that seems pretty good. I may shorten this down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's much better. That doesn't wobble nearly as much. So anyway, let's get on Muncaster Proving Ground. I will say it's kind of a pain in the ass to swing a leg over with all this accoutrement. Anyway, it's kind of a pain in the ass to throw a leg over this bike with all the cameras mounted everywhere. So how does that look now? A little more stable? Is the footage just as good? Wonder how the angle is as far as like zooming in and out. Guess I already know because I've already edited this video. Hey, look at that. Fortune teller again, folks. Tell you what. But while we ride down Muncaster Proving Ground, I want to show you my top 5 favorite 360 mounting positions for the Street Glide. And In the past, you've seen it mounted on the passenger floorboard a couple different ways. You've seen it mounted on the fairing, the front engine guard, 2 ways. And out of those, if this one stays on here like this, that's going to be great because it'll definitely go in the rotation. I've had it on there as a single point, and I've gotten it to be pretty stable. So far, actually, the up over my shoulder position has to be my #1 favorite because it shows like the fairing and the bike and me, and it's pretty stable now that I got the Velcro strap. So the first one is going to be that. I'll show a little footage while I ride along here. So that's what that one looks like. Oh, I bet you that looks good right there. That's the current one. And when I'm done showing them, when I'm done showing you, I want your vote in the comments below. So let me know what your favorite vantage point for my 360 camera on my street glide is. I'm curious what other people think. So we have #1. #2 is the fairing because it's super stable. I don't have to worry about the camera. #3 is definitely going to be off the engine guard over there, where I had the unicorn mount, even though that moved around quite a bit. #4 is going to be off the front fairing because it looks like somebody is driving in front of me filming. Kind of sketchy, don't like that one as much. And #5 is the original, ooh, that bug hurt. #5 is the original side view mount because it just puts the camera in the perfect spot to give me a side view of the whole bike and me. So let's go ahead, we'll set our cruise control here, and let's extend this back out. There we go. And now I can see that it's riding right over the white line. Hopefully I don't smack these mailboxes here. Wouldn't that be something? Sorry, sir, I smacked into your mailbox with my camera. Wait, what? Yeah, sure, okay. There we go. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you coming along with me. Hopefully I've earned your subscription with my stupid tests and risking my expensive camera gear. I guess it's not that expensive in the grand scheme of things, but hey, everybody's got a budget and they're over mine. I have way overextended myself on gear. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again. Ta-da.
And I am more. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go.
Alright, I have been riding around for an hour and the mount is still there. This is great. And I found a bonus benefit with having this thing mounted on the selfie stick. I can swap the batteries without having to remove the camera, which is pretty cool. After an hour and a half of riding, I've retracted the entire selfie stick. The GoPro Max is still there, hanging on. It's pretty cool. I like it. that's going to do it for this video. So until I see you again, I hope you're having a great day. Stay healthy, keep the shiny side up. Or should I say, keep the shiny side up, you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down. From the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below. And I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
That cicada just fly right by the helmet.